Harbor Freight to get us some shocks. Look at my car coming by right here.
I wish.
But you know, you gotta get some, what is it?
Spring compressor.
Spring compressors, dangerous stuff.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna go in here and check it out and see if we can find some. All right guys, we got it. Hopefully this works. We'll check it out when we get there.
Let's head to the garage.
Yeah. All right guys, we're excited today. We got our cart using, we're gonna use it for what it's made for.
Yep.
We got our tools set out. We went and bought this. If anyone knows what this is, you know what we're doing today. Because what we're happy about is what come in is our V8 springs.
Because this thing's riding too low.
It's riding too low, it's rubbing. So we're having to upgrade. So we upgraded the shocks already. Thought that might help, but no.
We need new springs.
We got to go all the way. So we got springs, we have tie rod. Hey.
Tie rod's coming in.
Yeah, they're not here yet, but they're coming in. So we're going to go ahead and do the springs right now. And hopefully we do it right. Because guys, I've never done this.
And it can be dangerous.
And Hunter's like putting in my head that it can be dangerous. So we're about to see how dangerous we can get.
So let's get to work.
Let's do it.
Well, we're using the Milwaukee. You notice I'm wearing the hat.
Could be a sponsor one day. So we got to get these shocks off. And we got to take the shocks and the, what do you call that thing that it's on?
This?
Yeah, you got to take it off too.
I don't know what it's called, but we'll take it
Shock
off.
tower.
Is that what it? Oh, this is a tower, so.
Whatever it is. Someone let us know, comment down there below what that's called.
Well, we got that off, so let's move on to the rest.
All right, Hunter, are you taking that shock out of there, my friend?
Yeah.
Oh,
Trying to get it out.
the rust got me from the Nova.
You
I cannot
always
wait to
hit
cut
that.
those quarters off there.
You're always hitting me.
We got to wait till July. Those things can be a pain to get out to me. Hunter seems to get it out pretty good. Hey, it matches your hat. So now we gotta get this off, and then we can start taking the spring out. Hunter, you set it up, didn't you?
Yeah.
We forgot we had to.
We're breaking out all the tools and we still can't get it.
Yeah, I didn't know we had the. I forgot about the fender cover, but it's good we have it because we're leaning all over this thing. So, what we're having trouble with is, for some reason, Hunter, what video that? For some reason, we can't. These
bolts, we can't get the nuts off of it.
We just can't get the nut off of it. So, what I'm thinking is, I don't know. So, guys, if anyone knows how to break these loose, let us know.
So we're gonna try to figure something out.
Guys, I've stopped right now because I've got a little weary under there tightening that thing down. I've got it almost totally compressed, and I mean I got it away from it, but I'm just feel uncomfortable. So what I've done is I put a call into my buddy, and he's gonna come over here, and he does this for a living. This is my first time, and he's gonna show me how to do it. And
so we don't want to get hurt.
I don't want my teeth knocked out. Then I'd be on camera looking like a crazy man. Because we got these big old boys. Because imagine compressing them and putting them back in there.
It's going to be scary.
Because those are what?
Six-cylinder springs. And these are V8. So I don't want my teeth knocked out. So we don't know how long it'll be, but we'll catch back up to you when
we get them in. We'll go do something else is what we'll do. Something that's not scary. We'll probably change the steering wheel and sand a little bit and stuff like that until he gets here. to hook this thing up. So we'll see you here at 12. What are you doing there, Hunt?
We're feeding this sleeving on here, making it look a lot better.
Yeah, I think that looks 100 times better. Here's your knife. You don't cut that. I don't know how good that blade is. I got the better knife somewhere. It should be sitting around here somewhere. It might be in the Nova. Hey, where's our scissors?
It's cutting it. I just don't want to cut the wire.
Right. Now that's going to make it look a lot better, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to get to work at this, and then we'll catch back up with you here in a second.
Well, guys, we got some tape put on the ends right through here, just to make it look good, where we couldn't use the plastic wrap right here because where this wire comes out. But man, look how good that looks.
That looks so much better, doesn't it?
Yeah, I love how we ran it up right there.
Yeah, we're just going to have to go through here and just
take our time.
Take our time and piece it in.
And really get it good because we want to protect these wires.
Want to protect them and make it look a lot neater. So we got our vacuum lines on now.
To the transmission.
To our transmission, to our PVC valve. We don't know about doing
I don't know if we're going to do the, what is it, the brake booster?
Yeah, because
I mean, if the brakes work good and they're not too hard to press, why not just leave it manual brakes?
Yeah, because this Mustang's coming along.
We don't want to take more vacuum out of the motor.
Yeah. Why do we want to do that? We don't.
So we don't know what cam's in it, so we don't need to take too much vacuum out of it with not knowing.
Because what I found out about the Nova, the way we have that built, we might not be able to put power brakes on this either, because the cam is a little too big for the motor.
Yeah, it's like all the vacuum.
I mean, it's not too big, but too big to, yeah, but someone said you could put like a can or something. I don't know. We'll figure it as we're going. So, guys, let us know what you think. Should we cover even like this individual wire here?
I think we will with that 1/4 inch.
Yeah, that's why we got the little one then.
And so like to the carburetor and everything.
Yeah, we'll just jump it like that. Make it
just look neater.
Look neat and protect it, because you know rodents like wire, but we don't like rodents. Nope. Everyone, you know, I got nervous last night. David's like, Jim, you just can't be scared of it. So we got these other ones off. We just had to press it a little more, and David pried a little and it came right off. So he compressed onto those. So David said these are good ones. I was worried. I didn't know. So we're getting the new ones back on now. So we're about to have it on the road, guys.
Oh, sorry, I ain't gonna get there. It didn't come out.
Am I going around?
Yeah.
Well, we got the spring put on. We got this put back on here tight. That what took some. It was hard, wasn't it?
We had to do it off camera because tempers.
It took what, basically 4 hands to do.
Yeah, so we couldn't video
now we're
it.
putting in.
And Hunter's more patient with me than I am. Getting these on. Let's see if he can do it again. He made me look bad last time I was fighting against it. Look at that. He makes it look so easy.
Because it is.
So I guess I need to probably go underneath and line that bottom up.
Did we put on the bottom last time and then put the top on?
I don't know.
Probably need to.
All right. All right. Look at these things, guys. That was a good purchase.
Yeah, it was.
It worked. I was just nervous.
First time ever doing it.
First time ever doing it, and those cracks and pops got me a little nervous. So,
what are you doing right now?
well, I gotta line our shock up here. I gotta jack this up because these springs push them down a little more.
So we gotta jack it up so we can tighten down the bolts.
Yeah. So then we'll let it back down and see what it looks like. And then what we'll do is we'll bring the tire over here and see if we'll see where the placement ends up. Because if I can't get the tire on, means it's sitting higher, which is what we needed.
Yeah, we need it higher.
Bad.
Because it was rubbing the inside of that fender.
Guys, so we're wanting to get this. Oh, gosh, you're going to have to jack that, buddy. We're going to try to, hold on, let me line. Okay, let's Let's go. Keep it going.
Now, what was you saying?
You know what's going to be happening?
What?
My finger's going to get caught in it. In the spring. All right, come on.
Is it close?
Yeah, a little more. Well, there we go. You know, you see how tough that spring is?
Oh, I know. It's hard to press down.
Hey, now if that motor pushes that down, now this is V8 spring, so we're totally changing this car around. Man.
I mean, it went from straight 6 springs to V8 springs, so.
So yeah, we should be good. And if we don't like the height,
we can cut down the springs.
we can cut down the springs.
But we thought, why not put it in the height that's at to see if we like it?
Yeah, because I mean, we might like it. I mean, who knows?
It might be the perfect height.
Yeah, maybe. Well, you know what
I remember last time you did this.
Last time I got fired up, didn't I?
So we'll catch up when we get on there. Man, we got the wheel on there.
Yeah. Hey, bring them over here and show them now. New shocks, Scott Drake shocks, new springs. Dude.
This is going to be so nice.
It's coming together, ain't it?
Yeah.
Well, maybe it is, Hunter. You know?
Is it that size?
I don't know. I'm just. I have to take it off. See, or did I use this for something else?
I think you used that for something else.
Yeah, that's the size it is. You know?
Yeah. So we're going to get this on here and then do the other side, and then we'll lower it to the ground.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we got the shock out. I'm not going to take the tower off this time. See if I can do it. I mean, because I didn't really use it for nothing last time.
No.
So these are pretty cool because you know how everybody's scared to death those things shoot off, but once you get on the spring, you just push that in there.
And it locks it in.
And it locks it in just like that. And then it cannot shoot off there.
So we're not worried anymore.
No. I mean, I was at first because I've never done this before. Me and Hunter, we don't do this kind of stuff, but we are now.
So let's get to it.
So let's get to it. Thanks for getting this, Hunter.
Helps out, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. Or does it? Yeah, it does. I'm about to say, oops. Spoke too soon. I mean, that is so much faster.
It helps when you have room.
Yeah. Man, that sounds scary, don't it?
Yeah.
That's what got me last time.
Did you get it stuck on there?
No.
You'll have to go back to the wrench in a minute.
Yeah. But this just gets us like going a little faster. We could put her on top and see how far away we are from the top now.
Okay.
Show the pieces. Are we away from it?
You can't really see.
Oh, because we left that on there.
No, it's just dark.
All right, guys.
Oh, we're going to tighten this up and get it off here.
David come over and saved us, got it out. Because I done injured myself.
Yeah.
But this is easier right here then.
It takes a Chevy man.
Takes a Chevy man to work on a Ford. That's because he truly loves Fords.
He owns about 4 of them.
How many Fords you have?
Well,
Come on, Chevy man.
How many of them got Chevrolet motors?
I don't know.
So we're going to get this other one compressed and put in there.
Oh my gosh.
These were in rough shape.
I'm gonna compress it by hand. Put it in by hand.
There you go.
All right, guys. Well, you missed it. I didn't want to record all of it because it was pretty violent. No, it was a battle with these springs right here. Look at these. It was a battle. I mean, I paid the price on getting these off and putting the new ones on. It was a fight, but we got it done, guys. I mean, it's totally done. I wish I could. Let's see if I can show you down here. Let me get a light because this is pretty cool looking. We have now V8 springs, high performance. Looky there. Looky there. Brand new springs. We have new springs. We have Scott Drake shocks. So guys, we're getting it together. We've been working underneath the hood, trying to get everything buttoned up. So next video, we're going to take it for its first test drive with the new suspension. Because, I mean, look, it still sits pretty good. It's settled now. When we first done it, it was up a little more. It settled down a little bit. So, guys, make sure that you get a friends to watch it. We're about to start taking this Mustang out and doing some runs with it and get the paint on it. But next, I'm going to do some cool stuff on the Nova because we're waiting for those quarters. So I got a few ideas. We're going to first, for one, we're going to get the motor put in it. We're going to get that whole front end buttoned up, and it's going to look cool as can be. You know, we named it Freedom for a reason. You'll see next time we do a video on the Nova. But guys, make sure that you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. See you next time.